control emotions, don't enter the market before reach the levels, then you're going to make money in a forex market using this strategy. And to anyone who wish to join the free Telegram group, the link is always on description below. You can join the free Telegram group and then we start trading together. So now for the full settings of the strategy, watch the full video because I'm about to share the whole settings for the video, for the strategy, so that you can be able to have it as well. I'm actually giving it for free. I don't sell my strategies, guys, you know what I say, because I'm here to help you guys out. So I don't sell my strategies. When you see somebody want to sell you the strategies, that's not me. Traders, welcome back to my channel. So for this who've been requesting this mobile strategy, now I want to share the whole settings for this mobile strategy, the one which is going to help you make money in the forex market. So first of all, guys, I'm going to delete all the settings that you see on the chart so that you can start over together. So as you can see here, guys, I already delete all the settings that I had on my chart. Now my chart is empty, you know what I'm saying, and make sure your chart is also empty like this so that we can start over together to punch the settings for the strategy on the chart. Remember, guys, this strategy right here, it helps you to be able to find the market that is ready to be taken without no struggle. All you're gonna be waiting for is the market to reach the levels that I'm about to explain to you. Then you can enter with the sell or buy according to the levels that the market will be at. All right, so let's start over together, guys. First of all, guys, I'm gonna click F sign right here. F sign right here. You can see the F sign there. I'm gonna click the F sign in order to get the settings, right? And I'm gonna click here. Boom. And the first setting that we're going to use is parabolic saw, right? And parabolic saw, we're gonna get it from here. Parabolic saw, as you can see, we have it here. All right, click on it, and we're going to use step number 1 is 0.02. Step number maximum is going to be 0.2, right? And for pixel, obvious, of course, for pixel. And color is going to be blue, right? And after that, click here, done. Remember, guys, I'm doing this to help you guys make money in a forex market as well, you know what I say. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and make sure you like this video because it's going to be a little bit much work, but we have to work for it anyway. Click F sign again. All right, boom. So number 2, we're gonna look for MACD. Click here, boom. And now we're gonna look for MACD and we're gonna find it here. MACD, as you can see here, we have it. MACD here is we're going to use first EMA 15. As you can see here, first EMA 15, you have to put it on 15 by your side, but me, because I had it before, everything's still complete. But by your side, I know you might not have it, but you need to put them, right? 15. And throw EMA is going to be 28. And MACD CMA is going to be 12, as you can see here. And apply to close. apply to close, and main 4 pixel color, you can use this one, and signal 4 pixel color, you can use blue. And after you've done that, click here, done. Boom. Come back here. All right, now you can see MACD is already on the chart. So now we're gonna go ahead and put the moving average. We're gonna click F sign here, F sign, boom, and we're gonna click indicator Windows 1, which is this one, boom, and we're gonna put the moving average. We're gonna find the moving average, which is right here, this one right here is the moving average, boom. So the moving average is going to be period 1, as you can see here, period 1, shift is 0, method, make sure it's like this, and apply to previous indicators data, and style 4 pixel, color red, and click done. Let's go back to the chart. Now you can see here we have moving average on MACD. So the last one, we're going to put the relative strength index. Click F sign. I hope we're together, you know what I'm saying? And please make sure you do the right things, make sure you like the video and subscribe, because you can see the work, it's hard, you know what I'm saying? F sign as usual, boom, and click indicator Windows 1, which is this one, boom. And now we're gonna find the relative strength index, let's check. All right, here we have it. It's right here. Click on it. So the settings of this one must be period 1, apply to close, style 4 pixel, color yellow, and the most important things are the levels, these ones here. So pay attention to this, and make sure you join the free Telegram group, guys. The link is on the description below, so that we can be able to join the VIP team, and you can trade my signal now. You can make money as I do, you feel what I'm saying? So don't be late, you feel what I'm saying? So if you feel like it's hard for you to catch this kind of setups, you are more than welcome to the team. You join my team, and then you trade with a professional trader, you know, I say easy like that. So the period is going to be the levels is going to be, as you can see here, they are available already by my side. 89.39 strong sell, make sure it's like that, put it like that, put it that way. 49.39, this obvious is a TP1, as you can see here, make sure you put it that way. 8.18 strong buy, put it that way. 16.42 it's entry, put it that way. Everything make sure are this way. And 4 pixel color must be this one, and I'm give you some seconds to screenshot everything, so that you won't miss anything. And then after this complete, come back here, right? And after come here, boom, and then you're gonna click here as done, right? Boom. So let's go back to the chart and see what we have done. Boom. Here, guys, is the strategy complete. So your question, I'm sure, is, bro, when to enter as a buyer and when to exit as seller? You feel what I'm saying? So the answer of your question is, we enter the trade, right, as soon as the market reach MACD at this level here, right? This is where we enter as a seller, right? This is where we enter as a seller. And as soon as the market comes down and reach level 70, this is TP1, comes down level T30, this is the TP2, comes down at level 0.2888, level 0.2881. This the last take profit, right? That's how you do it. So I just put it this way so that you can see it clear. Right now you can see that from this level here, 89.39, it's a strong sell. As you can see, the strategy says that you sell here all the way to this point here. It's going to be your first take profit, and your last take profit is going to be this point here, right? Just use this two. Your last take profit is right here, because as soon as the market reach here, it's gonna come back here as a buy. So yeah, when you want to buy, you buy when the market reach at this point here. As you can see here, says strong buy, right? You buy when the market reach here. Make sure you got every confirmation candlestick on the chart, and then as soon as the market reach at this point, you buy all the way to this point. Is going to be your first take profit. This point is going to be your last take profit here, because as soon as the market reach this point, it's going to drop. Cool. So the other question I'm sure you must have is the time frame, right? The time frame you can use from 1 hour time frame, 30-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, and 30-minute time frame. Zoom level, right? You see what I'm doing on the chart right now? Do you see this? Right? This is the zoom level we're talking about, right? So don't do this, right? Don't do this. Make sure the market zoomed, the chart zoomed in like this, or in. Zoom level is a 0 zoom level. No zoom level recommended with this strategy. Let the strategy show you itself that it's already reached these levels here, and then you're gonna take the action after the market already reached these levels by itself. It's right here now. It's time to sell the currency. It's gonna drop to this point, take profit 1, drop this point, TP2, right? So let's review the strategy and see how the strategy works. So as you can see here, the moment the market reached at this point, it did buy, right? That's the first 98%, right, of the strategy, right? Cool. Let's go back. As you can see here, as soon as the market reached this point, it did sell, right? This is the confirmation that the strategy is working perfect. And you can see here, the moment the market reached here, it did buy, right? So you can see here, the moment the market reached this point, it did sell, right? You can see everything. You can see here the market, the moment the market reached this point, it did buy, right? This is 98% of your winning strategy. You know what I'm saying? Look, it did sell, right? Look here, this point here, it did buy. So you can make something using this strategy, no cap, because this strategy, bro, it's crazy, you know. All you need, don't be greedy, control emotions, don't enter the market before reach the levels, then you're going to make money in a forex market using this strategy. These are my strategies that I developed for you guys since you guys been struggling to find the entries, especially beginners. I came with this strategy that's going to be helping you guys as beginners and others who have no experience of how to find this type of trades. You know what I'm saying? That's why I came up with this strategy. Feel what I'm saying? This strategy did change a lot of things for me, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm giving to you today for free and bless you, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you do the right things, you know what I'm saying? And comment below, let me know what you see about the strategy. Any question about the strategy, just comment below, let me know. Give me your questions and then I'll be back to you guys. Peace out. Make sure to do the right things, subscribe, join the free Telegram group, be part of the team, and I say, let's go, baby. We out.